Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could be a real lifesaver on the road, the GOOLOO Jump Starter 3000A Portable Car Battery Booster. We found this amazing jump starter online and have included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what is the GOOLOO Jump Starter? This is a powerful portable car battery jump starter that packs a punch with a peak current of 3000 amps. It's designed to jumpstart 12V vehicles, accommodating engines up to 8.5 liters for gasoline and 6.0 liters for diesel. What sets it apart is the unique boost feature that can revive a completely dead vehicle, making it an essential tool for any driver. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this jump starter. First and foremost, safety is a priority with the GOOLOO. It comes with smart jumper cables that boast 10 advanced safety technologies, including protections against overcurrent, overload, overvoltage, overcharging, and high temperatures. This means you can jumpstart your car with confidence, knowing you're protected against potential mishaps. Another impressive aspect is its versatility as a power bank. The GOOLOO Jump Starter isn't just for your car, it features multiple USB output ports, including a Quick Charge 3.0 port. This allows you to charge a wide range of devices, from smartphones and tablets to Kindles and cameras. It's a great feature for those long road trips or camping weekends when you need to keep your devices powered. One thing that many users appreciate is the lightweight and sleek design of the GOOLOO. Weighing in at just 1.19 pounds and measuring 6.18 by 2.95 by 1.42 inches, this jump starter is compact enough to fit in your pocket or glove compartment. It's easy to carry around, making it an ideal companion for any driver. And let's not forget about the built-in LED work light. This isn't just any flashlight, it offers 3 modes, a standard flashlight, a strobe light, and an SOS light. This feature is incredibly useful during emergencies, power failures, or even when you're out camping and need extra light. So, who is the GOOLOO Jump Starter suitable for? It's perfect for anyone who drives, whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend road warrior, or someone who enjoys weekend getaways. It's also an excellent gift for friends and family who may not be as car savvy but would benefit from having a reliable jump starter on hand. In practical terms, there are numerous situations where this jump starter can come to the rescue. Imagine you're in a parking lot and your car won't start. Instead of waiting for a tow truck, you can simply pull out the GOOLOO and get back on the road in no time. Or perhaps you're out camping and your phone battery is dwindling. With the GOOLOO's power bank capabilities, you can charge your phone or other devices effortlessly. In summary, the GOOLOO Jump Starter 3000A is an affordable, powerful, and multifunctional tool that every driver should consider having in their vehicle. With its safety features, portability, and ability to charge your devices,